West Ham vice chairman, Messi, is a money-burning furnace. Businesswoman Karren Brady feels stunned with the salary that Lionel Messi received while playing for Barca. Messi may be the best player of all time, but with a salary of $82 million a year, he is a money-burning furnace, Brady, born in 1969, commented. It is said that he is prepared to have his contract extension with Barca, but it is still too high to go to PSG. Barca president Joan Laporta has had to do a hard job. According to information from El Mundo newspaper on January 30, the four-year contract that Messi signed in November 2017 has a total value of $675 million. In which, in addition to the salary, achievement bonus, and commercial and advertising revenue sharing, Barca also gave Messi $140 million for accepting an extension and $95 million for loyalty. Of course, Messi can only receive the entire amount above, if he meets all the conditions for competition, achievements. His actual amount is only half of the above figure, due to the tax rate. The pressure on the super-rich in Spain is about 47%. In addition, not counting the attraction to television, Messi brings Barca about $211 million a year, 1.4 times more than income from the club. Brady also criticized the management of former Barca president Josep Bartomeu as the main reason for the club's decline. From 2015 to 2020, Bartomeu spent hundreds of millions of dollars buying players. In 2017 and 2018, he continuously broke the club transfer record when buying Ousmane Dembele for $123 million and Philippe Coutinho for $170 million. In 2019, Bartomeu continued to spend $140 million to buy Antoine Griezmann. The result is a debt of $1.5 billion today. Barca started a financial crisis when the pandemic hit. Due to the decrease in revenue, the team has difficulty in paying debts and paying salaries. To prevent the risk of Barca bankruptcy, La Liga decided to set a ceiling salary. This makes the club unable to renew even if Messi accepts a 50% salary reduction. After rejecting Messi, Barca still had to negotiate a salary reduction with the remaining players. According to Marca, midfielder Gerard Piqué accepted a 50% reduction and postponed receiving most of his salary until the end of the contract. This action made the team eligible to register two rookies, Memphis Depay and Eric Garcia. I like organic things more. That's why in Barca-related headlines, I notice Piqué's devotion more than Messi's transfer. According to Barca members' predictions, Piqué will as the future president. I think it's not related to politics, it's about love, Brady added. Before taking the position of vice chairman of West Ham, Brady had experienced quite high positions in football such as Birmingham City CEO in 1993 at the age of 23. Besides, Brady is also a famous journalist, commentator, and writer in the Fahry country.